Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to build your own AI that can read and understand your documents, and then answer questions about them? In today's video, we're going to do exactly that by building a basic RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation, system from scratch. So, what exactly is RAG? Basic RAG is a powerful technique that combines a knowledge base, like a PDF file, with a large language model. It first retrieves relevant information from your document based on a question, and then uses that information to generate a precise, context-aware answer. This is incredibly useful because RAG grounds the AI in facts from your specific documents, dramatically improving accuracy and reducing the chances of the model making things up. It's perfect for custom chatbots, research assistants, or intelligent search tools, and you can easily update its knowledge by simply changing the documents, without retraining the entire model. Alright, let's dive into the code. The first thing we need to do is install the necessary Python libraries: sentence transformers to convert text into numerical vectors, LangChain for building the application, LangChain-Groq for a super-fast language model API, and FAISS-CPU to create an efficient vector database. Once installed, we'll import the modules and set up our API keys, one from Groq for the language model, and one from HuggingFace for the embedding model, using getPass to keep them secure. Now for the fun part, working with our data. I've uploaded a PDF titled Top 10 RAG Architectures, and we use PyPDF Loader to read its content. Since language models can't handle long texts at once, we split it into 500-character chunks with slight overlaps using recursive character text splitter. Next, we convert these chunks into numerical embeddings using HuggingFace's Nomic Embed Text v1.5 model and store them in a FAISS vector store, creating a searchable index that quickly finds the most relevant text for any query. We then define our large language model with ChatGroq, a powerful 120 billion parameter open source model, and connect everything using LangChain's RetrievalQA chain. This chain links the retriever to the model so that when we ask a question, it automatically fetches relevant context from the PDF and generates an answer. Let's test it with a simple query. What is in this text file? The chain gives a perfect summary, correctly identifying that the document is a guide to 10 production-ready RAG architectures. And that's how you build a powerful question-answering AI with just a few lines of Python. I've linked the complete code on my GitHub in the description, so check it out. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn and follow my work on GitHub. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!